I'm here at a wetlands park on the U.S.-Mexican border. I was just gonna I'm making breakfast first, and I was gonna go for a hike, but I've been hearing a coyote howling, so I'll probably still go on the hike. Yeah, we'll see. So I came down this gravel road next to this shallow levee. And it says this is Levee Road to get here. So I'm going to go back in there. I just ate breakfast. Go back in there and take a look around. So here's a little summary of where I am. They are just trying to restore this area. It was cut off by the when they straightened the Rio Grande. This place was cut off from water, so they redirected some water here and are trying to get it back. Is basically what it says. But we are here, and I think I'm gonna go down here, drive down to these other more better trails. This is not really as you can see here, it goes right up to the border. So maybe I'll take this yellow one and go towards the water more. I've got a little shaded area for you to sit in. Alright, let's go up there. There is someone else here, so that makes me feel a little bit better. So now we are taking this yellow trail. Looks like there's a hawk there. Let's see how close he'll let me get. Nope, he did not let me get too close to him. He's up there. Maybe it was an owl? I don't think so. It didn't really look like an owl, but it could have been. There's something flying over there now. Pretty big bird. Guess they want me to watch out for snakes. Let's go off the trail here and see what these signs say. Keep out. Owl's nest. I guess they burrow in the ground. I didn't know that. Okay, this is interesting. I was walking along and I came across this, and I looked up to see where it came from. There's this tree like bush looking thing with thorns. A lot of this stuff out here in Arizona, New Mexico, and Texas have thorns on them. But if anyone knows what that is, you could leave a comment. Again, this is the wetlands just outside of El Paso. Actually, it's part of El Paso, I believe, in the southern end. Here's a bigger one. It's a tree of thorns. Doesn't look very inviting. Anyways, there's the border there. More of these trees. There's a cactus here, off the path. Haven't seen a cactus in a few days. So here's more, I guess, owl dens, owl nest. They're obviously trying to make sure the owls can survive. But this looks like a man has helped them survive. I don't know if that's how owls normally do it in the wild. Is this considered the wild if some man has built this for them? I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. Does someone know why this is? If this is supposed to be so natural, why has man interfered? Maybe that's the only way they can survive? Possibly. Lots of questions. There's the border fence. We'll be getting closer to it here as the trail goes up there. And there you have it, the border fence. Separated by also some water. The Rio Grande is right on the other side there, I believe. I was going to try to touch it, but I can't even get near it unless I go swimming. I'd say it's about 20 feet high. No, maybe 15. I think I hear people on the other side. Right over here. Looks like you could climb it, but it'd slow you down. I wonder what would happen if I climbed it. Yeah, I know what would happen. I'd be in jail. And I wouldn't get any benefits of the country, and I wouldn't be able to vote in that country. As it should be. Those same rules are supposed to apply to all countries, but I'm not trying to be political here, but that's only common sense. There's their little road there for border security to go up and down. I've seen helicopters fly over this a few times the other day. El Paso is up that way. This is the wetlands. I just saw a bunny rabbit. Maybe it was a jackalope. I couldn't tell. Anyway, I'm gonna head back now. Yeah, if there's anyone that has an idea on those owl dens or owl's nests over there that are scattered through the park, why the owls are not capable of making their own nests. Man has to do it. It doesn't make sense to me. I'd like to learn if anybody knows about that. Anyway, yeah. I wanted to see the wall at some point, and now I have. Here's a marker I came across. This is basically an official boundary marker for the border. I see they've got these numbered. This is section 49 fencing. Can you imagine what would happen if this wasn't here? It would be complete chaos. Total chaos. So this is the wetlands that they're trying to get back. As you can see, they are pumping water in from the Rio Grande. It used to come through here, but they redirected it and made it straighter and more permanent, so the borders wouldn't change all the time. Mexico and the US would always have disagreements about where the border is, and one decade the border would be someone would be living in Mexico in the next decade, it would be part of the U.S. So they just made the Rio Grande go a certain way and redirect it, make the border permanent. So this is all the wetlands. I came from that direction. Be heading back. Again, El Paso's that way. And I will be heading towards Marfa tonight. There is a jackalope approaching me. He stopped and he's looking at me. It's just a bunny with big ears. He doesn't know what to do. He wants to come this way. And he is. My, you have big ears. Bye-bye. Oh, this is a nice part of the park that I didn't see. It's got a nice trail. I came in from that trail down there. This is the red trail. I took the yellow trail. Cattails. Yeah, I'm not going to go any further. But I just wanted to see this bridge and this nice trail.